Jai Guruji, Shukrana Guruji, Lakh Lakh Shukrana Guru Maharaj. Sangat Ji, today we will read Light of Divinity chapter, Satsangs, the Company of the Truth. So, Shukrana Guruji Maharaj for giving this opportunity, and sorry well in advance if I make any error while reading. Tusi Bakshanhar O Data, Shukrana, Shukrana, Shukrana. Satsangs, the Company of Truth. A satsang speaks from the heart of the truth. It is the truth rendered in words, and it has the wonderful potency to lift its hearers or readers above their mind stream. The satsang is a devotional tool, one that has long and revered standing in the religious tradition of this country. A satsangs occur when a group of people talk or in this rite about their experiences in faith. Through natural sympathetic listening or reading, it draws its audience into circle of faith. As an electron carries an electric charge, a satsang carries a charge of faith. These satsangs are for those standing on the edge of skepticism and faith. Each satsang, as we have learned from Guruji, blesses both the reader and the writer. Each one offers a turning point in life of an individual as distressed as you are. Each also offers a continuation, a reaffirmation, a moment of faith. For in Guruji's presence, we are in presence of Him whose light is more radiant than the instantaneous luminance of all the suns in the universe. And each puts the sword to doubt, with which walks so many times, arm in arm with faith. Doubt and faith both inhabit our world of contradictions and contrariness. Satsangs put the doubt to sword. Each of these true line stories show how the spirit of man rises up to claim its innate faith. We call this faith Guruji. Others have called him by different names, all as dear, as loving as him. The satsangs offer you who you are wondering whether to take the leap of faith or springboard, listen to them and dive headlong. The divine holds you in his arm. All these stories of innumerable devotees scattered all over the country are miracles. But what is a miracle? It is a moment of faith in heart. It is first and the foremost miracle of love, and only then an evidence of supernatural in our natural affairs. So the characters of these stories, Guruji's innumerable devotees, are writing of experiences that found them overwhelmed, overthought, and that made them vulnerable and defenseless, that stretched their faith, that tested their spirit, that shows the chunks in their armor, that made them strong, courageous, enduring, and hopeful. They are reporting experiences of being carried away with the divine current. They are talking about the light they saw in the dark night. These satsangs are our two companions, for they carry the Guruji's word, and adherences to his word is paramount. For the word is Guru. The satsangs carry the energy of Guruji. They are not only recount how divine will saved and nurture his devotees, they embody the energy and allow us to savor it and to be benefited by it. Each of these satsangs speaks of Guruji's love for his children and many pains he took to care of them. It is time for children now to bear their word in mind, to honor it in speech and deed, and not to besmirch his memory. The satsangs are the many leaves of a great tree of the truth, each singing its song, each rustling with faith. Enshrined in the satsang is the devotee's love for Guruji and his for him. May it touch your heart as surely as it has touched theirs. Shukrana Guruji Maharaj, Lakh Lakh Shukrana. Sangat Ji, as we read today the satsang, the truth of company, page 14-15. Now we will take up the satsangs. In this chapter, we just talk about what basically satsang is and how it brings out light in everybody's life by hearing those, because they are the medicines for each one of, as Guruji used to say, satsang sunan wale da vi kalyan, the satsang karan wale da vi kalyan, means who is reading or writing or listening, all of them gets equal benefit. So Shukrana Guruji Maharaj, Lakh Lakh Shukrana. Jai Guruji, Shukrana Guruji.